Myself Dr. Pawan Saxena, Department of Applied Science, IIMT College of Engineering. Today I am discussing with the linear differential equation with second order. Just like this, the general equation of second order differential equation d2y over dx square plus p dy over dx plus qy is equal to r. This is the general equation of second order differential equation where p, q and r be the any function of x. Now we will discuss the four types of this form. First is changing in dependent form, and second is one that normal form, and third is that changing of independent form, and last is one variation of parameter. So this is the four part of to describe the solve the linear differential equation of second order. Now we are going in changing of dependent form. Like this, the general equation is d2y over dx square plus p dy over dx plus qy is equal to r. Now this is the general form to solve with the method of changing of dependent form. Now let the general solution of this equation 1 y is equal to ub. This is the general solution where u be the complementary function of equation 1. Now we will describe the different form for complementary function of u. That is, if first condition is that 1 plus p plus q is equal to 0, then the complementary function of u will be e to the power x. And second point is that the 1 minus p plus q is equal to 0, then the complementary function of u is equal to e to the power minus x. Now also point number third, like p plus qx is equal to 0, then the complementary function of u will be x, and more than condition to solve the complementary function of u. This is the general form to solve the equation number 1. Like this, first is suppose 1 plus p plus q is equal to 0, then the complementary function of u will be e to the power x. Now this is the value of u we will put in equation number 2. Like this, u is y is equal to e to the power x into b. So this is the solution of equation number 1. Now we will differentiate with respect to x first time and second time and putting in equation number 2 or 1. Then we get the general solution of changing of dependent variables. Again, the second order differential equation d2y over dx square plus p dy over dx plus qy is equal to r. Now we will compare with p, q and r from equation number 1. This is the normal form, that is d2b over dx square plus iv is equal to r1. Equation second, we will find from equation number 2, that is b, and also the general solution y is equal to u into b. U, where u we will find e to the power minus 1 by 2 p dx, and find the value of i and r, where I is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 dp over dx minus 1 by 4 p square, and r is equal to r1 is equal to r upon u, where r upon u is equal to e to the power minus 1 by 2 into p dx. So this is the second conditions to solve the linear differential equation of second order. This is the normal form. Now we are going in the third case, that is changing of independent form. Like this, also again the equation of second order, that is d2y over dx square plus p dy over dx plus qy is equal to r. So this is the third condition to solve the changing by the changing of independent form. Like that, also we compare equation first from p, q and r. Now equation of changing form, that is d2y over dz square plus p1 dy over dz plus q1 into y is equal to r1. So this is the condition of changing of independent equations. Now we will find the value of p1, q1 and r1, where q1 is equal to q upon dz over dx to the whole square, and p1 is equal to p dz over dx plus d2z over dx square upon dz over dx to the whole square, and the value of r1 like is equal to r upon dz over dx to the whole square. Now we will find first of all q1, because always q upon dz over dx to the whole square is equal to, we will let the any terms of यहाँ पे constant, like that find the value of q1, again we will find p1, also find the value of r1, that is putting in equation number first, then the result in the form of y and z, and again putting the value of z in the form of x. And the last condition, like variation of parameter, this is the important part of second order differential equation, like this d2 by over dx square plus p dy over dx plus qy is equal to r. This is the fourth matter to find the linear differential equation with second order, that is variation of parameter. Now again compare p and q and r from equation number 1. Now we will find first of all the complementary function of equation 1, like that complementary function, that is a, suppose a e to the power m1x plus b e to the power m2x, equation number 2. Now the complete solution of equation number 1, like that cs, that is y is equal to a u plus b into b. So this is the complete solution of equation number 1, where a and b be the any complementary part from equation number 1, like that a is equal to e to the power m1x and b is equal to e to the power m2x. Again differentiate like a dash and like b dash. Now the cross multiplication, that is a b dash minus a dash b is equal to something, we will get something terms in the form of x and y. Now again we will find the value of u and v, where u is equal to minus of r into b upon a b dash minus a dash b into dx plus c1, and again v is equal to the value of r into a upon a b dash minus a dash b into dx plus c. Now we will find u and b, and already we have find a and b, putting the value of a, b and u, b, then we get the result of y. So this is the complete solution of variation of parameter. Thank you very much.